Here's how Canada immigration is the best decision for living your best life. Are you interested in Canada immigration but are not sure how to make this happen? Whether you want to immigrate to Canada as a permanent resident or a temporary one, it's essential to keep yourself updated with the latest Canada immigration news so that there is no hassle at a later stage where all the other countries are limiting the number of migrants. Canada is still ready to welcome the immigrants with an open arms attitude despite the outbreak of the pandemic since March 2020. Moreover, the flood rules and the friendly Canada immigration policies excel at stealing hearts of millions of professionals who want to work and earn a living in Canada on a permanent basis. Canada is such a great destination and a favorite hotspot if you want to live a peaceful life that you have always waited for. After all, what's better than starting a new life in Canada and enter the castle of success? It does matter if you are self-employed, a student, a working professional, or a skilled worker. Canada has everything to satiate your needs. If you meet the Canada immigration eligibility, you are all set to fly to the Maple Leaf country without any fuss. So, if you are below 45 years of age, have a minimum 1 year of relevant work experience, good language proficiency skills, appear for an arts language proficiency test, and comparable education qualifications. Need to submit an ECA, for example, Educational Credential Assessment, assessed by the concerned authorities reflecting that your current education meet to Canadian education standard. You can apply if you fulfill the Canada immigration's eligibility. All you need to do is choose the best Canadian immigration program, be it express, entry, provincial, nominee programs, family sponsorship programs, etc. Meet the eligibility criteria and get ready to fly to the Maple Country hassle free. As per the latest Canada immigration news, the IRCC Immigrations Refugees and Citizenship Canada has announced that they have substantially, substantially, substantially improved the processing times for Canada immigration. On the other hand, if you can also reduce the processing times by reverting back quickly if you any further information is required from the concerned authorities. Take a glimpse of what Canada offers. Post immigration, so prior to Canada immigration, you must be aware that how this country is beneficial. So take a little taste of what Canada provides you with avail all the social security benefits. It is one of the most important benefits that Canada offers. Social security benefits make you eligible to apply under any of the government programs and take advantage of them. Free education for children. When you become a PR after Canada immigration, you are entitled to get free education for your children without paying even a single penny. Moreover, the fees for the Canadian universities is less considerably less equal status as the other Canadian citizens. Post Canada immigrants immigration. When you become the Canada PR, you get equal status just like the other Canadian citizens except voting rights. Safe and secured country. Canada is one of the safest and the secured countries with low criminal rates. So there is no need to get worried as you can trust this country blindly. Final word. Now you all know that Canada immigration is a simple and exciting task that can take your career to great heights. If you don't know from where to commence, you can avail the services from the best and the leading Canada immigration consultants in Delhi. You can get in touch with Apache Global who will provide you with exemplary services hassle free. Fill in the free online assessment from the get ready to get call back from one of the immigration expert. Good luck.